Hello my friend and welcome back. So for today's video, we are checking out these gaming headset. Surround sound gaming headset, inline volume and mic control, comfort ear pad, noise canceling and wide compatibility. Let's go ahead, open this up, show you guys what you get. This is a real first unboxing, a real user experience. You guys are seeing a real video. I like to make my videos real and as personal as I can, so you guys get a first real user experience. Okay, so right off out of the box, this is what they look like. Nice soft earphone padding on the side there. So this piece here is metal, plastic, soft padding underneath. Here you got the mic. Overall, they look pretty nice. So all the controls are right on here. So you can mute your mic, open your mic. You got volume control up and down as well. So another nice thing I like is the cable is very long. So this is going to give you enough cable to be pretty far away from your gaming system or your computer or whatever device. Yeah, so let's go ahead and plug it in. What we're going to do is we're going to test out different songs, some gameplay, and see how this sounds. Alright guys, so right away, the mic, testing 1, 2, testing. The mic seems like it's good quality, crisp and clear. As probably going to want it back about that far. You don't want it up really close because it's kind of a little muffled, but back like right here is about perfect. So let me see here. Let me get my phone, and we're now going to turn on podcast to see how talking is. That's how it looks when it's on. So the treb is nice. Good treb, good voice. Let's switch to a bass song, something with a lot of bass. We got to test out the bass on this. All right. All right. Not bad. Wow. So the bass is good. So the treb is good. The bass is good. Quality is good. Let's test out the volume control here. Very quickly changes, so that works good. High and low. Definitely loud. Overall works great. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to load a video game with gunfire, see how it sounds within, and go from there. So we're going to select a gameplay video, maybe just some shooter game with gunfire, because that's a good way to test out speakers. Okay. Woo, that's actually really good. So the gunfire is like, I don't know how to explain it. It's got that deep bass, so you can like almost like you feel it, almost like you are holding. Yeah, this is like almost like you can feel every gunshot. It's like boom, 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 boom. So overall, these actually are really nice for the first time experience. I'll do an updated video, like you guys know. I like to do 6-month, year updates on it, as I use it. But this is for my first user experience. They're nice, and this is adjustable, so it does adjust both sides, which makes it really nice. Fits your head perfectly fine. Overall, nice, soft. We'll have to use it for a couple hours and see, but for my first unboxing show and tell experience, I like them. They're nice. Yeah, everything's good about them. There's nothing that like blows my mind. Like the bass doesn't blow my mind, the treb doesn't blow my mind, the quality doesn't blow my mind, but it's good. They're good quality, good bass, good treb. Everything's really good about it. So I am happy with it.